The news is scary. Prices are rising, layoffs are happening, and suddenly every dollar feels more important than ever. If you're feeling unsure about your money right now, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage your money during economic uncertainty, with 6 practical tips that you can start using right now. Let's get into the first one. Stay calm. Don't panic with your money. When the economy starts looking shaky, most people do the exact wrong thing with their money. They panic. They start selling investments at a loss, hoarding random supplies, or even making huge financial decisions out of fear, not logic. Here's the truth. Panic spending and panic saving both lead to regret. The people who get through tough times, the best, are the ones who stay calm, focused, and consistent. So how do you do that? Don't make big money moves based on headlines alone. Talk it out. Whether it's with a friend, a family member, or someone online, getting out of your head can help you slow down. Focus on what you can control, your spending, your habits, your mindset, instead of stressing over the economy as a whole. Uncertainty is temporary, but a smart money mindset, that lasts forever. Number 2, track every dollar, even the small ones. In uncertain times, the worst thing you can do is guess where your money's going, because the little stuff, it adds up fast, and it's usually where the leaks are. That's why the second key to managing your money in tough times is simple but powerful. Track every single dollar. Yes, every single one. Why does this matter more when the economy's shaky? Because when things feel out of control, the best move is to take back control of what you can. And that starts with your spending. Here's what you can do today. Write down or log every expense, even the $3 snack or $1.99 app charge. Use free budgeting apps like Mint, Pocket Guard, or just the Notes app on your phone. Sort your expenses into 2 categories, needs and wants. Review your weekly spending like a money detective. Where's the waste? What can be trimmed? Once you start tracking, you'll be shocked at how much money slips away on autopilot. But the good news? That means you also have room to save, without feeling like you're cutting everything. Tracking your money isn't about being strict. It's about being smart. And that's exactly what you need right now. Chapter 3. Build or boost your emergency fund. This is very important. If there's one thing that can help you sleep better at night, no matter what the economy is doing, it's having an emergency fund. This is your safety net, your backup plan, your "I've got this" money. During economic uncertainty, things like job loss, rising prices, or unexpected bills become more likely. And without an emergency fund, even a small setback can turn into a big crisis. So if you don't have one yet, start today. And if you already have one, make boosting it a priority. How much should you save? If you're just starting, aim for $500 to $1,000 as a short-term goal. Long-term, 3 to 6 months of essential expenses is ideal. Can't save much right now? That's okay. Even $10 a week adds up. The key is to make it consistent. Pro tip: keep your emergency fund in a separate savings account, not your main one. That way, you're not tempted to dip into it for everyday spending. Your emergency fund gives you breathing room. It lets you make smart choices, not desperate ones. And in times like these, that's a powerful thing. Chapter 4. Cut non-essentials without feeling depressed. Here's the truth. When money feels tight, cutting back is necessary. But cutting out everything fun? That's a fast track to burnout. The goal isn't to feel punished. It's to get intentional about your spending, so you can still enjoy life without wasting money on things you don't truly value. Start by asking, what do I spend money on that doesn't make me happier, healthier, or better off long term? Then take action. Pause subscriptions you're not using. Cook at home more often instead of ordering out. Swap expensive activities for free or low-cost alternatives. Yes, they exist, and they're fun. Give yourself a small, guilt-free, fun budget, so you don't feel like you're missing out. Think of it like this. You're not giving things up. You're trading short-term spending for long-term peace of mind. It's not about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to the stuff that actually matters and learning to let go of the rest. Chapter 5. Think long-term. Don't stop investing completely. When the economy looks rough, a lot of people stop investing completely. They pull out of the market. They wait for the perfect time. But here's the truth. Trying to time the market almost always backfires. The people who build wealth are the ones who stay consistent, even during uncertainty. Now, if you're barely covering essentials, yes, focus on that first. But if you have a little room in your budget, don't be afraid to keep investing, even just a small amount. Why? Because investing when prices are down means you're getting assets on sale. And when the market recovers, as it always does, those smart decisions pay off. Tips for young or new investors, but not financial advice. Stick to what you understand, like index funds or ETFs. Use platforms that let you invest with just $5 to $10. Yes, that exists. Set it up to be automatic, so it happens whether you're watching the market or not. The key is to think long-term. Investing isn't about getting rich tomorrow. It's about building freedom over time. So don't stop completely. Just stay smart, stay consistent, and focus on the big picture. The 6th chapter is look for ways to increase your income. There's only so much you can cut from your budget, but your income, that has the potential to grow. In uncertain times, the smartest move you can make, beyond saving, is to look for new ways to earn. Even a small boost in income can make a big difference. $50 or $100 extra each week. That could fully fund your emergency savings, cover your groceries, or give you breathing room. Here are some realistic, beginner-friendly ways to earn more. Freelance your skills, writing, design, editing, tutoring, even gaming coaching. Sell things you no longer use, clothes, tech, or books. Do part-time gigs, babysitting, pet sitting, delivery apps, or local side jobs. Try digital side hustles, reselling, print on demand, content creation, or affiliate marketing, if you're into that world. The best part? Most of these don't require a huge amount of time or money to get started, just effort and a willingness to learn. The economy may be uncertain, but your ability to adapt is what gives you power. And every dollar you earn now puts you one step closer to financial stability. Remember, don't just survive the hard times. Use them to build skills and systems that make you stronger for the future. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Economic uncertainty can feel overwhelming. The best thing you can do? Take small, smart steps, consistently. In this video, you learned how to stay calm, track your spending, build your emergency fund, cut back without deprivation, keep investing smart, and increase your income. You don't need to be rich to take control. You just need a plan. And now you've got one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who's trying to stay on top of their money. Here on White Budgeting, we're all about simple, smart money tips for real life, especially if you're just starting out.